This morning I'm going to go over Centrifuge, an altcoin that could change the DeFi sector. But before we get started, if you could, hit the subscribe, like button, make a comment, hit the bell notification. It'll all really help us out. Before we get started, I just want to let you know and put out the disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, and by no means is this financial advice. This is my opinions and for entertainment purposes only. So let's get right into it. Today, like I said, we're going to go ahead and talk about one of my favorite coins, Centrifuge. And Centrifuge is a cryptocurrency altcoin which connects real world assets like real estate, cars, anything of any type of asset to the blockchain by tokenization. So this is going to be huge because everything is going to a tokenization world. Cryptocurrency is the blockchain. Everything is a trustless system. It's recorded automatically. So we're going to see more and more items being tokenized. So we'll be able to go buy real estate with tokenization with this cryptocurrency Centrifuge, or cars or art or anything of value. So this is going to be huge. Centrifuge was first came out pretty much near the peak of the bull run back in 2021. And so when it first came out, if I go to, I'm right now on CoinGecko, as you know, one of my favorite sites to look up certain cryptocurrencies, where you can go ahead and see that the current price is, what its market cap is. All this information right in here is very valuable. So our market cap is right now $88 million out of the whole crypto market of little over $1 trillion right now. So it's $1.090 trillion is the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. And right now we can see Centrifuge is only 109 million, fully diluted valuation. That is, the total supply is 447 million CFG tokens, whereas there's 360 million already been released, as which we call the circulating supply. So I'll go here first and check out what was going on with it. Look at the prices. You can see its all-time high, which was May 2021, which is roughly when it came out. And then its all-time low, which just passed this past January, where pretty much all cryptocurrencies were really down low. And since then, we've been rebounding. So I'll go through here. I'll check some prices out and see if it's something worth getting involved with. So this right here, it's 98% low, below its all-time high. And this just came out, and this real world assets being tokenized is going to be a huge market. And it'll also allow us, it'll be connected to the decentralized financing as well. But I see the growth potential here. If this even went back to its all-time high of $15.98 with the current price of 24 cents, that's huge. That would be a huge gain. That would be roughly, right? So just let's take the 15, we'll just do $15 and we'll divide that by, 0.25 even, which is less than what it actually is. You look at that, that is a 60x gain. So that means if you invested $1,000 in this crypto, your return would be $60,000. That's phenomenal. But let's take it we'll just go through some other info I have on Centrifuge CFG and why I like it as well. If we go here, of course, I'm going to go to, I use TradingView for my analytical information, the charts, see what the crypto's doing. You can see over since January of its all-time low, it's been kind of in this sideways channel, roughly between, let's just call it 36 cents, 37 cents, and kind of take the average of 16 cents, but majority of it's been above the 22 cents. So, but you can see it's just kind of going sideways. Some people would like to trade this, when it hits this red line, which is a volume point of control, which is right now that's acting as support. It hits the support, and then they'll find out where the next resistance is, and that would be roughly 26 cents. So that would be roughly like a, if I get my measurement, that would be, just from there to there, that's a 15% gain. So that's pretty good. So anyway, I look at the charts. I'll go here when I decide to buy a coin, where my entry point's going to be. And if I'm just trading it, not long-term holding, where my exit point will be as well. But if you look at it, this article is about CFG and tokenization of everything. You see, this is going to be a big thing. Definitely tokenization of real world assets is coming. It's already happening. So CFG is definitely one of the cryptocurrencies that are going to be huge. You can see these lending pools they already have, and they're already lending. They got Block 4 Towers series, multiple series there. These are all lending pools. And some are maker pools open for investment. There's so many active things going on with CFG already. They were building during the bear market. That's usually where the companies that are building, they do all their building in the bear market. And we're coming up to the start of a bull market here soon. In the next probably, 6 months to a year, we're really going to start taking off. That these companies like Centrifuge are going to skyrocket. And that's my personal opinion. If you want to look how it does work, the platform leverages blockchain technology. You can read as well, specifically the Ethereum network. And they tokenize the real world assets into non-fungible tokens, NFTs. And NFTs are huge. Everybody's starting to use NFTs. There's a big kick on NFTs. I mean, NFT market is billions of dollars now. And then we have the long-term price predictions for Centrifuge. And I think these are very, very conservative. But you can see just for 2024, they're saying the yearly high could be 55 cents. That's a double from what it is at right now. The current price, as we saw, was 24 cents. This is going to be going up to 55 cents, or could. Or this is what the Coin, Codex prediction is. So that'd be over doubling your money in a year. Any investment that doubles your money in a year is a phenomenal trade or investment. You can see 2025, where they're predicting that the peak of the bull market for cryptocurrencies, probably summertime of 2025, you can see they're saying it's going to be $1.90. So at the current price, that's almost an 8x on your money right now if you got in. So I like CFG because of that potential, but more so of what they're doing with connecting real world assets to the blockchain and cryptocurrencies. It's just a phenomenal opportunity. And also talk about DeFi. What they're doing is I can go ahead and add to the lending pools. And then what happens is, instead of the bank getting their cut and all these other people getting their little bit of the pie, I'm lending to this lending pool. Someone borrows from this lending pool to buy the real world asset. I am now making a commission or interest off of the money that I lent into the pool. So just the regular everyday person can do that now. Whereas before, you'd have to be a big bank to do it. And you can even see now the Federal Reserve Board actually has this, 29-page paper on tokenization and financial stability. So this is happening. It's happening right now. And I am so excited that I'm involved with it. And anybody that's in cryptocurrency that's looking at, the altcoins besides Bitcoin, it's just a great opportunity. And there are just so many opportunities with this coin. And I'm a firm believer of it. They have a very strong team behind it. So anyway, that's what I have on CFG Centrifuge. Also, you can look people might ask, well, where can I buy it? So that's where CoinGecko is a great place. If you go right here on markets, click on markets, you can scroll down and you can see all the exchanges that carry it and what the trading pair is. So KuCoin, you need to have USD Tether to purchase it, but it's on all these different exchanges. It's on Kraken, KuCoin, if you can use KuCoin, a bunch of different exchanges. I wouldn't go on any of these exchanges where the trust score is less than green. I would stay away from that. And also, there's another way that people can get it. It's called the wrapped version of CFG token. It's called WCFG. And you just put your search right here, and you can also look that up. Right here, wrapped centrifuge. And what wrapped centrifuge is it's making it so it can be a ERC20 token. So wrapped centrifuge, if I scroll down here, you can go again to markets. There'll be different markets for it. You can get it on Uniswap. So Coinbase, that's where I purchased it, on Coinbase. And what wrapped centrifuge is they kind of incorporate it into like the Ethereum network, and it's wrapped. So, and then they'll create a new token, and the new token will be WCFG. But Coinbase keeps one token of CFG for every wrapped CFG they have. And it's a 1-to-1 back. So it's essentially the same thing as buying CFG. So personally, I get most of my CFG on Coinbase, which is going to be wrapped CFG. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that, because everybody has access to Coinbase. I know with the new things with KuCoin and the KYC, we're not allowed as U.S. residents to go ahead and use KuCoin anymore. Some people try to get around it by using VPNs and things like that. I stay away from it. I don't want to do anything that's shady. I'm going to always be on the up and up and do everything that's legal within the laws of our country, in the United States. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned a little something. And again, please like or make comments or anything at the bottom here, and let me know what you thought. Thanks, and have a great day, guys.